What is up, you guys? My phone is in a weird position right now. It's falling down in my little holder. But I am trying to get out the car right now to run into Sally Beauty Supply really quick. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. Where is it? Somewhere over here. I have a fellow nail YouTuber and Instagrammer, LuvNails, that I follow on Instagram, and I see that she went to Sally Beauty Supply and she found some OPIs on sale. She found some cute little nail polish acetone remover pumps and stuff. And I haven't been to Sally Beauty Supply in a while, and I have showed you guys that my favorite acetone nail polish remover is from Sally, so I want to go definitely pick that up. Please excuse the way I look terrible. My eyebrows need to be done. I have not had a chance to go, so excuse me. I always come on here, I feel like I look terrible. But yes, I want to go in. I don't have a lot of time. I have to run. I have an appointment I have to get to, so it's going to be kind of quick. But I want to go in and get some nail polish remover for sure. And if I see anything that I like on sale, any good colors, then I'll pick that up. But I also just want to show you guys what I see. So let's go take a look.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9.
Well, I was doing a little talking while I was in here, but I noticed they were playing music in the background. So, decided to do this little voiceover. So yeah, I was surprised to see when I came in they had this whole nail dip section. I've never seen that in there before. It's been such a long time since I've been, but that was the first thing that I pointed out. That was all dip powders and everything else you need for it. These polishes I'm looking at now, I think they were Nails Inc. Yeah, Nails Inc. And they had some really pretty colors. They had I think mood changing ones and neon ones, some glow in the darks and stuff like that. I don't think I have tried Nails Inc. yet. So if you guys have tried the Nails Inc. and you like it, let me know. They had a couple that I would go back and get. They had these Sing 2 Morgan Taylor collections. I don't think I've tried Morgan Taylor yet either. I might have, no, I have one or two. I have one or two Morgan Taylors. Those are pretty good. These were the only polishes they had on clearance, was the Finger Paints Endless Wear. I thought this one was the holographic top coat. Didn't have my glasses on, so I had to look at it a little longer to see what the name of it was. And I still couldn't read it, but I could tell that it did not say holographic top coat. So I put it back. But they didn't have anything that was catching my eye. I wish this Gelaze was a pretty color because I do really like those gel polishes in that China glaze. But other than that, that's the only thing that I've really seen on clearance. This was by Mini Moo, and it was a gel polish remover that you polish over the top of the gel coat and like it eats it up or something. I don't know. I've never tried them before. That's just what it looks like to me in a picture. I was super surprised to see how much their Sally Hansen's cost. Yikes. When did they go up? These were cute. These Naturalisms polishes. They had cute little wood tops and a lot of pretty soft colors. You know, I just noticed as I was holding that it said FP on it, and it is on the Finger Paints display. So I wonder if those Naturalisms are by Finger Paints. If y'all know, comment. I started to get this, but it was $11.99. I just could not see myself paying $11.99 for that little small tube of holographic chrome, but they were really pretty. That was also by Mini Moo. They did not have their pumps on sale. They were $5.99 and $4.99. They did not have any here for 99 cents, so I was bummed about that. So I was looking around for like a new quick dry top coat to try, but I couldn't decide on that either, and just kind of seeing if there was any nail care item I wanted to get. I did want like a latex barrier, and they had Mini Moo, and that's all they had, and it was $16.99 for that. I can get it for like $8 on Amazon. So I just didn't get anything like a polish while I was here. Just picked up a few things that I'm going to share with you guys in a different video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So this is their other area where they had a lot of those like nail stickers, a lot of nail art, tools and tapes and charms and things like that. I wasn't interested in any of that, but I did go in here to actually look for these gelish tips. I heard about these from a vlogger that I watch, and she just happens to do her own nails from time to time, and she said that these gelish full cover nails are really good. They were just $7.99, so I did grab a pack of those so I can give them a try, and I'm really excited about trying these out. I'm hoping that it works with my beetles, my faux, it's like the faux Apres nails jelly tips, and it has a special gel nail glue that I tried and failed in one of my previous videos, if you guys remember. So I'm gonna try that glue with it. So I did spot some dapping dishes here. I have those little clear glass ones already. They did have a couple iridescent ones, were cute, but they were a little too small and not really what I was looking for. They were about $3, I think. So yeah, I'm just looking around, see if there's anything else I wanted to try out over here. I do love getting their nail files. I have almost all of them. I love getting them from here because you can wash most of them. If you read it, it'll tell you if they're washable, which is great because you can keep them clean. And if you do other people's nails, it's good to have kinds that you can wash. They have this section over here that's all for like pedicure. Some of the things that they have here, they have at Five Below, like that Freeman, those Freeman feet bars right there. It's like a green and a red to the left. But yeah, there's definitely a few things I do want to come back and try. They had a clearance table. I was hoping I was going to find some more nail stuff on right there. And they only had this press-on nail kit right here, this Dash and Diva. Not nothing I was interested in. Some summer stickers, and then the nail file that I picked up. It was like $1. And then I think I found some cute little tweezers when I went to go check out. And that was it. And the price went up on the acetone since I was last there too, by the way. It did not used to cost $5 for that big one. It used to be like $3.50, I think, or something like that. Yeah, y'all, so hopefully you guys enjoyed taking a walk down the polish aisle with me in Sally Beauty Supply and seeing what they had. I would have showed a lot more polishes, like close up, picked them up and stuff, but the lady there I don't think likes me recording. From the last time I recorded there, she really didn't want me to, so I just tried to be discreet, and I hope you guys still enjoyed it. If so, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and thank y'all for watching.